Welcome to another episode of Mexican in the Kitchen, and today we're gonna do something very simple. We have these jalapeño chilies here, we have some leftover onion, I also have one tomato, and I'm gonna show you how to make these scrambled eggs. Really easy, just chop everything. I've chopped everything into small dice. We're gonna start from here. So on a bowl, I'm gonna put like 2 or 3 eggs depending on how hungry you are, and we'll just put them there because it's easier to mix and spice up. Take your time. I'm gonna use some pepper. Again, I use this mix of pepper. You can use black pepper or whatever you prefer. I'm also gonna use some salt, and the recipe goes like this, but I also like putting some oregano flakes in there, just a bit. And just scramble everything, make sure it's nicely mixed. And now we're gonna go to the stove. Here I have a pan, maybe on a 2 or 3 out of 6. I'll put some oil in there. And I have here all my vegetables, so I'll just throw everything inside. We're gonna mix them, and we're just gonna leave them there. We want them to be cooked slowly, so we'll keep an eye on it. We'll just move them slightly and make sure everything cooks nicely. We'll be cooking them for a few minutes, and you will notice that everything has changed color. The peppers are a bit toasted, the onion is a bit see-through, and that's when we're gonna throw our eggs in there. And there's many ways you can cook this. I prefer moving it a lot so everything cooks evenly. So I'll just keep stirring for a while until you get the texture you want. Some people like their eggs really well cooked, and maybe some people prefer them a bit less. So just keep cooking until you get the right texture. In my case, I think this is the perfect point. The texture is good, the color is good, the flavor is gonna be amazing. So I'm just gonna serve this. And for serving, I'm gonna use the refried beans recipe that you can check in an older video. I'm gonna leave the link also in the description. Here we are. This is a great breakfast and it looks beautiful. That's how you make the eggs. These eggs are a la Mexicana. It means Mexican style. That's why you have the colors. It's kind of like a Mexican flag colors. I usually make it in the mornings on a weekend when I have a bit more time. Have time for a slow breakfast. If you have this side dish of refried beans, it's a perfect combination. I will usually have maybe corn tortillas with it. You can have wheat tortillas. You can have some bread. It's really good. Probably one of my favorite breakfasts. You can see all the colors with the beans, it goes perfectly. It's something people have very often in Mexico as a breakfast. So try it at home. If you like the video, subscribe, press like, share it with your friends, and see you in the next one.